I am taking myself on a solo date. I'm so excited.
Kapoor, Rahul Dua and Karunesh Talwar talk.
Okay, so I have finished all my morning rituals. I've done my morning work. I came back, I took a shower, I meditated, I did my puja, then I went and had my breakfast. I did my skincare. I've done every single thing, and even the work at my office. I finished all of it yesterday. So I am free for today to give myself a treat for all the hard work I have done for the past few months, and I haven't got an opportunity to celebrate myself for all my achievements, and today is the day I'm doing it. And guess what? Both of my roommates have gone home, so I have the whole room to myself to enjoy. And today I'm gonna be taking myself on a solo date to my favorite place, which is gonna be a museum. I'm heading towards Kiran Nadar Museum, which is in Saket, New Delhi, and oh my god, it has always been on my bucket list, and I can't wait to go there. So before I tell you more about today's itinerary, I'll just jump and get dressed into a very baddie outfit, and I'm gonna dress up all for myself just to look at myself in the mirror. Yeah! Okay, so for today's outfit, I'm going to be wearing this blue pencil skirt that my dad bought for me from Thailand, and I will be pairing this skirt with this top that I don't even remember. I bought this from Pantaloons many years ago, and I still wear it because it's still in the right condition, and I love reusing clothes because it's all about sustainability. And if you don't already know, I also have a startup called Lootle, and we are working towards a sustainable fashion. I'm gonna link it down below in the description. Do go check out what we are doing at Lootle, and yeah, just don't forget to contribute to it. So I will be layering this top up with this shrug that I thrifted many years ago, again sustainable fashion, and I really love the whole look, and it gives a very sheer and very sassy see-through look. So I will be wearing this. Let's change into it. Okay, so I have changed into my outfit for today, and I feel so like a baddie. and I dropped the idea of wearing that shrug over it because this honestly looks good like this. I'll just be adding a pair of white shoes under this, and I just have to put on some sunscreen and some lip balm, and then we are good to go. So right now it's just 12:45 and we have some time before I leave. So I thought, why not tell you where I'm going? So I'm headed to Kiran Nadar Museum of Arts, which is located in Saket, New Delhi. And oh my god, I have been wanting to visit that museum since the time I visited Delhi a few months before, in the end of February, for Bharat and since then it has been on my bucket list. And I remember visiting Delhi Hut at that point of time, and also the Museum of Arts, Modern Arts, Museum of Modern Arts, which is in New Delhi. But Kiran Nadar was still on my bucket list, and I was really disappointed by Delhi Hut. And I have a video of Delhi Hut on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box and also in the I button so that you can check it out. And I feel so shocked and so proud at the same time. Why? Because it was just a few months ago that I visited Delhi, as I already told you, and my impression of Delhi was really very bad, and I never wanted to shift here. And this city was completely out of bounds for me, that I never wanted to come and live here. And cut to a few months, and I am literally living here in Gurgaon. I am in my PG right now, and I have finished 3 weeks. This is my third weekend here in Gurgaon, and this is something I really can't believe. But I'm also very much proud of myself because, I mean, this Gurgaon has become a city where I am finding myself and I'm really growing. And there has always been a calling for me towards the Mughal architecture and all the museums and all the art museums that they have here. And that is what I am following at this point of time, and it has really touched my heart. I have booked myself tickets for a exhibition which is organized inside the museum by Kiran Nadar Museum of Arts itself. The exhibition is called Walking Through a Song Line, and I'm going to be experiencing it. It is an immersive art installation sort of a thing, wherein it's going to be like that one trendy immersive experience that you see inside the museums, which is trending on the internet right now. And I have been wanting to experience that for a very long time now, and now I have finally got the opportunity to do it. So if you want to know more about the exhibition, I'm going to link it down below again, so you can just go and check it out. And also, the budget for today's date is only rupees 500, and the entry fee for the museum and exhibition, it is completely free, which has automatically left me with no reasons to say no. And why should even I say no? Because I deserve every single bit of it. And also, even if I spend money on it, that money is going to come back to me multiplied. So it has left me with no reasons absolutely to say no to such a big opportunity. This is something that I have been wanting to do for a long time now, but I haven't been doing. I wasn't able to do it because I couldn't muster up the courage to actually step out, sit in a cafe alone. But today we are gonna change the narrative, and I personally will be doing it all by myself. I'm gonna be traveling completely by metro and autos because yes, I have to finish this date under 500 rupees. And also, like, when you are interning at a place, you are just a student right now, this is the only amount of money you can spend. But at least you deserve this much amount of money because you are a third year student. You have worked so hard, you have been grinding all day in your internship, in your office, getting out of box ideas, and your brain and you yourself deserve some amount of solitude and some amount of a break and appreciation, and also some celebration, to celebrate yourself as a human being and whatever efforts you have put into your life to become who you are today. So even if you're not where you wanted to be, but at least you are somewhere, even if you're close to it or far away from it, at least appreciate and celebrate for whatever far you have come. And this is what today's date is all about. It's all about celebrating myself, it's all about celebrating my failures, my achievements, and everything that I've done so far. And honestly, I've come really far in my life, and this is something that I've never imagined myself doing. But I am doing it, and I'm very sure that my junior self would be so proud of me. And just to give her a treat, just to make sure that she's happy and satisfied, I am taking myself on this date. So I will be leaving at 1. We have 5 more minutes to go. I will be heading first towards the metro, which is MG Metro, which is the MG Road, which is the nearest to me from here. So I will be leaving my PG and I will be heading towards the nearby auto stand. We'll be taking auto for MG Road. It just takes rupees 20. So yeah, I am at an advantage. I will be reaching MG Road. We'll be taking the Yellow Line Metro and then we'll reach Malviya Nagar, not Saket, because Malviya Nagar is much closer to the museum and it is a straight road from there. And of course, the auto will be taking again 10 rupees only to drop me to South Court Mall. That's what the name is. I think so. So yeah, let's go for it. Ready. Feeling excited and nervous together. I added a clutcher, earrings, and my favorite bracelet. So it's a mix of ethnic and desi style today. My bag, lifesaver. Let's go.
When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier.
Just arrived at Malviya Nagar and thank God the station is not much crowded. I know you can't hear me, but anyhow I'm supposed to speak. This is the main challenge and this is what this whole date is all about. So yeah. So I am actually facing a big challenge finding the routes because metro se bahar nikal ke you didn't realize that on which side of the road you are. And also one more thing that I am without internet today, so I won't be able to realize which way I'm going. So I just asked security guard auntie for a route and she told me that it's actually quite far. So she rather suggested me to cross the road and go towards that side and take a bus to travel towards City Mall. So yes, finding the navigation is quite difficult, but this is what today is all about. Facing challenges and doing it all alone. So yeah, it's gonna be a complete whole experience and now I'm gonna be crossing the road towards that side and taking a bus. So yeah, wish me luck. Wait. तो मैं वहाँ खड़े होके बस की वेट कर रही थी एंड बस आई। मैंने कहा चलो ऑटो लेते हैं, तो हमने ऑटो वाले भैया को पूछा भैया मॉल चलेंगे क्या बगल में ही, तो उसको मॉल पता नहीं था कि कहाँ पे है। तो बस लाइक मैडम आप बैठ जाइए, आपको हम लेके चलते हैं। एंड आई सैट, बहुत बार्गेनिंग करने के बाद was asking for 30 rupees and 30 rupees is too much, तो 500 मीटर से भी कम था and I had walked most of the distance already। तो मैं बैठ गई एंड उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि हाँ मैं बैठी नहीं, सॉरी मैंने बार्गेन किया एंड एट लास्ट वो 10 रुपये में मान गया बिकॉज आई न्यू बगल में था। आई सैट एंड आई केम यहाँ मॉल के बाहर एंड मैं उतर गई एंड उसके बोला भैया मैम पैसे मत दीजिए क्योंकि ये सिर्फ बगल में था और ये बगल में आने के लिए क्या पैसे, मुझे लगा दूर होगा। मैंने बहुत इंसिस्ट किया, फिर भी उन्होंने पैसे नहीं लिए, काफ़ी अच्छे भैया थे, गुड। बाकी अब हम सिलेक्ट सिटी मॉल पहुंच गए हैं। भैया म्यूजियम का रास्ता कहाँ से है? क्या
बैक साइड होगा ना?
किधर? हाँ बैक साइड पे। तो कहाँ से जाना है रास्ता? ओके
बैक हो जाना।
अच्छा इधर राइट लेना है।
हाँ छोटा सा खुला हुआ नहीं खुला हुआ
ठीक है, thank you. Finding, oh, this is so aesthetic. Finding my way towards the museum, and I have finally mustered up the courage to vlog in the public all alone, and I can't believe that I'm doing this. This is the MGF Metropolitan Mall entry, and मॉल के अंदर ही हमारा म्यूजियम है, तो हम मॉल के अंदर ही जाएंगे. And wait, hi again from the back camera. Back camera is much more better to vlog. My camera से इतना अच्छा quality नहीं आएगा. This is a select City Walk Mall. Now moving towards the MGF Metropolitan Mall. Found the way almost, and now I promise I'll see you inside the museum only. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm standing right at the entrance door of KNMA, and look at the line. This on the entrance itself, it's the exhibition. I'm walking through a song line, and it's already 3:10, and my booking was at 3:30. So I guess I'll have to wait a little bit more because it's already so crowded inside, and there is no point me stepping inside the line. And there's no line, in fact. It's just a crowd of people, and the crowd is outside as well as inside. So you'll have to wait here till it clears up inside, till there is space for the people to enter. So yeah. And unfortunately, this is the only entrance that I see. There is no other entrance for the museum. It's the exhibition only first. It's a good thing, plus a bad thing, because you can't fit in a lot of people inside. It's a small room. So yeah, I'll see you on the inside.
Our ancestors watching us build. Got over with the exhibition. It wasn't as impressive as it was supposed to, maybe because there were a lot of people. But I did have my good time, and now I just got to know that there is a different part of KNMA on the first floor. That is where I'm going right now. It's a Bollywood edition, some sort of a thing. I'm not really sure what it is, so I'll just go there and let you know exactly about the exhibition over there. Also just got to know that this area is only meant for the exhibition thing and not really for the main museum. The main museum is in Noida, and this place is completely reserved for exhibitions only. This broke my heart. Another exhibition. This board says KNM in collaboration with Southcourt Condominium Association presents Art Passage, a Bollywood retro with JH Thakur collection. Okay, it's gonna be interesting. Let's see. Lens के पीछे actor कौन? Challenge your ability to identify actors from their portraits. Okay, I'm very bad at this. And honestly, I have seen them, but I don't know them. I'm bad at seeing movies. You tell me in the comment section below who all these artists are, including her. She looks beautiful. So I just got done with the Bollywood exhibition that was there, and now I spotted a cute little cafe called sandwich smugglers is just right there, and I'll be going there to have something to eat. And this is the most difficult part of this whole date, but we're gonna do it. I mean, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's go. I'm trembling, I'm shaking, but oh my god, this is mine. Let's break the ice to it. Done. Museum done, cafe done. Main anxiety things, the things that really get on my nerves, the things that really make me so much conscious and so much anxious about myself. I did those things and I'm so happy. Now I'm heading towards my favorite thing, which is architecture work. So first we have is the Khidki Masjid here, and then following that we have a Satpura in Delhi. It's also nearby, so I'm gonna be going there after this. So I need to figure out the rasta. So I'll catch you rasta there. Okay. Just as I was about to cancel my plan of coming here, that uncle ji guided me, and then I asked a few ladies sitting on chairs. And they were like, हाँ जी आगे जाओ जी इधर से ही है. And when I went, I was like, एक छोटी सी मस्जिद है यहाँ पे. And I thought यार यही है सिर्फ, is this what Khidki Masjid is? And then I took a turn, I kept walking, and फिर I एकदम that breeze led me towards where it called me. It was a calling, and yes, that calling has brought me here. That's beautiful. The board says Satpura Lake, and now I'm really curious to know if there's actually a lake here or not. Satpura Lake Complex. This is what this place is. But where is the entry? Okay, I didn't know that. JD, जहाँ आपको बोर्ड दिखाता हूँ वहीं. Okay, I'm very sorry that I'm mixing English and Hindi boards, but please bear with me because I'm in an Indian country. I'm in a country which is India, where languages mix करना is obvious and it's common. So yeah, bear with me please.
it. I literally stepped out for a solo date all by myself, walked down the roads, went to a whole museum, took the metro myself, crossed the road myself, booked my own tickets, sat in a cafe all by myself, ate alone, took a walk inside the mall alone, experienced the whole exhibition alone, went to 2 different places after the museum and the cafe, which was Khidki Masjid that I literally found out of luck by chance, and at last visited Satpura where it was filled with people, and I was I think so the only one alone roaming there. It was a hell of an experience, and I can't express how grateful I am. At the beginning of the whole thing, I was so anxious, I was feeling so nervous, I was not ready for it at all. But now, as I've done it and I am out of it already, I really feel so confident. I really feel so proud of myself, and I feel that I have become a new human being. I am better than what I was in the morning before taking myself first date. I have come out as a new person. I've come out as an improved version of myself. So it was like an 8-hour upgrade, software update. It makes me feel that I am working to live and not living to work, honestly. This is something that really, I don't like working 9 to 6 or whatever, 10 to 6. That is not me. It feels as if I'm living only to work, and I don't want to live a life wherein I'm getting up, getting ready, eating, going to work, coming back, eating, going off to bed. This is not the life I want to live. I want to live a life wherein I wake up at my own time. I'm having my own personal experiences. I'm taking my time, getting ready at my own pace, experiencing nature, doing things on my own, going to work, enjoying it there as well, and then coming back, having a slow routine, enjoying it myself. And I want to do it all for myself. I don't want to do it for an organization. It has to be for myself. That's why I said at the beginning of the whole trip, I was so anxious. I was so much panicking. And even when I was walking, I was still on the call. And there was this one guy who stopped right beside me. He wanted to know the way to maybe the Hutta market which was there. And I was like, I finally sat into the auto. I went, and then in the auto, what happened? There were these places where people were distributing that sweet water they usually do on the days of Purnima and Sakrat. So our auto stopped there, and there was this one guy sitting right beside. They were actually 2 friends, the guy and a female friend maybe, and he was like, bring it on. So he literally took 4 glasses, 2 for himself and 2 for her, and he told me to hold 1 glass. I held it in my hand. I thought I would take it for myself, but then he was like, ma'am, please pakadega. I mean, am I a waiter? But anyhow, out of generosity, I held it in my hand, and then the auto was going, and I spilled. Like, of course, the auto is like so much bouncing, and the roads here are hell. So I literally spilled a lot of it on my own self, on my own skirt, and I was like, bro, please take this fast from me or else I will drink it. So yeah, he finally took it from me, and then I literally, my biggest challenge for today was that I was going without internet, and I literally killed it. I mean, I found out the ways. I booked my tickets or the metro station itself offline. I paid the things in cash. I bought myself lunch from the metro station itself, sat in the metro, ate it, and while I was eating, I mean, I was feeling so anxious, like, are people watching me? I became so conscious, and my purse was literally slipping from my hands. I have this one more carry bag in which I had my lunch, and then I have one sauce in my hand, and I have that sandwich that I was eating. It was like I was being so clumsy, but at last things got managed, and I calmed myself down. Ki bro, it's okay. nothing is happening, no one is judging you, everyone is busy in their phones. I was about to reach my station. I became more and more calm. I was like, okay, this is my moment. I'm here all by myself. I don't care if people judge me, and they won't be judging me forever. So I don't even care. Even if they do judge me forever, who cares? Because I'm never gonna meet them. So I had my own slow time. I enjoyed my lunch. I reached Malviya Nagar. I got off and I literally walked towards the museum, and it took me a hell lot of a time to recognize where the path was, but I'm so happy that I was able to talk to the localites without mumbling, fumbling or anything. I literally clearly asked and I was smiling while talking to them, so they were more polite and more generous while telling me the answers. And I reached the museum and it was like a hell of a thing because it was so much big of a queue, and I'm happy that I reached on time because when I left the queue was literally up to 1 kilometer. It was so long. It was, and the security guard had to request with folded hands that please, we will not allow you inside after 6 because the museum closes at 6:30, and of course if people enter after 6 they won't be allowed before 8. Entered the museum. I had already registered, so the guard he scanned my QR code and I went on. And I just had a whole circle of music. I was like, bro, what is even this? Everything literally went above my head. So I went to a guard bhaiya and I asked him, bhaiya, where is this exactly beginning from? Then he guided me how exactly things are and what exactly is the museum about. And then before I actually took another step forward, I went back to the reception to take a brochure. And I have with me just brochure that I collected from the reception, and it has every single detail about all the the arts that were shown there, who made them, the credits they have, and what exactly the paintings are about and where it belongs. So everything is here and I'm happy I got this from the museum. I'm so glad that I did it today. I stepped out of my comfort zone. I'm pushing my boundaries, and this is actually making my brain expand and my perspective expand, and it is giving me new experiences. So at last of this video, I would just say that if you are watching this, make sure that you take yourself on a solo date, and if you do this, don't forget to post a picture on your Instagram story and tag me so that I know that after watching this video you took yourself on a solo date. You took that first step towards loving yourself, and I'll be so proud of you as well as myself. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I will be linking down all my social media channels in the description below. Don't forget to check them out, and you can actually dive into my life by following me there. And I also have my LinkedIn account linked down below, so if you want any professional advice, be it for internships, be it for jobs, be it for your lifestyle, don't forget to hit me up on the LinkedIn account. So yeah, that's all about today's video. Thank you so much if you have watched it so far. I really appreciate you that you were with me, supporting me till the last of this video. I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are truly a great supporter, and I just wish you all the best on your self-love journey, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep loving yourself